This is Bobby Pierce with the official Tractor Supply DC 771 Burger Review. This is at the request of the Superior Operations Manager Paul Cirilla and his trusted confidant, the head of HR, Lafayette Williams. Now, Dougie Fresh had 4 burgers earlier and thought that was a burger. That's not a burger. So I've got 4 burgers, 2 slices of cheese, 2 hot dogs, and a bag of potato chips into this burger. I'm going to wash it down with some Mountain Dew because I am yellow number 5 deficient, and Mountain Dew is a great source of yellow number 5. Look at that burger. Oh my Lord. No. I usually just give this a raw score, but this burger, what I'm going to rate this, after consulting with my cardiologist, I'm going to rate this 10 more milligrams of lisinopril, and that is my final score. Near the U.S. and Canada